So here are some of the new plants that we bought. And this is what I wanted to show you guys. This is an alien plant. No, just kidding. This is an air plant. Oh, look at these.
Air.
They're like
Air, one lang
little
yun,
dragon
walang-
fruit plants.
Air, ano to lang oh. Air, ano tawag ba? Air,
See?
air, air. Oo, basta air.
Look at those flowers.
Ibang chocolate. Oh, di na nga yun. Ano yun? Hindi na yun. Yung maliit na yun. Ano nga yun? Ano isa? Parang wala. Ayun, masik na. Ano tayo dito?
They're like alien plants. Okay, I think I'm gonna get one of these alien plants. So, it's an air plant. Oh, ano tawag dito?
Pero parang pinagpupunan
Air plant lang? Walang ano?
Hindi ko ano eh. Kung ano pangalan niya.
Okay, so this is an air plant. This alien looking plant. And it will produce yellow flowers. Yeah. One of the strangest plants I've seen here. Baka?
Sabi mo.
Oh yeah, come on.
Yellow ang bulaklak. Ay, ito pala may bulaklak na.
Hindi, iba yan.
Iba din yan. That's
Saan ito ilalagay? Ganyan lang?
O, air lang siya.
Paano sa dagili?
Spray lang.
Pwede ba nga ito yung isang kunan ko?
Dumadami?
Benta din niya sa amin. Benta rin sa amin. Ay, may bulaklak na isa. Oh. May mga bulaklak na iba niyan. Kuha ka.
Ibali, ito na lang.
Eh natin may bulaklak ate. Ano?
Ito purple ang bulaklak
Ito,
nito.
ito. Sa ilalim yan. May bulaklak na ilalim.
Hindi yan, ito. Yan.
Ganda. Ang ganda.
Ito.
Bubuka na yung bulaklak. Ito.
Oo.
Pabuka na.
Ay, oo.
Hmm.
Yung mga.
Ganda
Ang
na.
nga bayar, ang galing.
Oo.
Kaya lang, saan mo di-display? Tapos nakita
Saan ka lalagay ito? Yahan lang. Kahit saan mo yan.
Nakikita ko online eh.
Ay, oo. Yung tinatamnan, ano?
Oo.
Sabit mo muna dito, baka ano na ni ate na.
Oo, sige. Balikan
Ay,
niyo
sige.
na lang.
Ibang klaseng bulaklak. Well, back to the alien plant. Right, so I'm gonna take it out of this container so I hope I will be able to do it without damaging the stems. Okay, there you go. Look at this. Oh no, sorry, alien plant. Look at this fine specimen. So it looks kind of like a pineapple. So I'm guessing that it's going to lengthen from here, so it's gonna get longer. I'm just guessing. And so these stems at the bottom will dry out, so they will fall out, while this gets longer. Okay. So not exactly sure where the flowers will be coming out, so we'll just have to wait and see. Look at that. It's kind of this, the spiral goes this way. See, there's a spiral pattern. It's almost like a galaxy. So the roots are, if you feel the roots, they're like dry, but this plant, according to the seller, actually absorbs water in the stems or leaves, if you can call these leaves. Oh, we got a plane. We got a plane. There you go. Okay. Back to the alien plant. See, so the spiral pattern is very interesting because the leaves all go in this direction. It's a spiral. Yeah. So now let's get a little bit closer to this plant. Okay, now you can see the texture of these leaves. See? See those notches? It's very interesting. And see like it's like spray painted with white paint. Oh, I see, see. See, I was right. So these are the parts that dry up. See, these dry out, and you can actually pull them out like that. There. So they dry out and they fall off. There. So this is also dry. Okay. So I can pull this off. At first I thought these were the roots, but they're not roots. Okay, there you go. So it's like I'm cleaning the plant a bit. Here's another. So this is the dried up part. I don't want to pull out too much because I don't want to pull healthy roots. Alright, so just a few more. So this is another dried leaf. There you go. Okay. This is a fresh root. Yeah, see that fresh root? So I'm not gonna pull that because that's a root. Okay. Oops, this got snagged here. Oh, this is almost dry. See, there's a bit of damage there. That's why it's dried out, but it's just about ready to fall. Once this completely dries, that's gonna fall. So this one is also drying up. So the bottom ones will eventually fall and dry out. Now, looks like a pineapple, right? This is an air plant. So if you guys know the exact scientific name for this plant, do comment below. Alright, so this is an air plant, an alien looking plant. So if you guys know the scientific name for this, just comment below, because I don't know what's this called. I just know that it's an air plant. To me, I'd call this an alien plant, but that's just me. Yeah. Oh yes, it's a succulent. It means it's like a cactus, but it's not a cactus. So they say this will produce yellow flowers. I'm going to wait for that. It only needs to be watered once a week, and it doesn't like direct sunlight, so it has to be in the shade. So lots of things to look forward to this plant. I'm gonna put the air plant back to its container. So this is going to be the tricky part. How to put it back properly. In you go. In you go. On Amazon you can get different containers for this plant. So this is just one sample, but you can get other containers. This didn't come from Amazon, so we bought this from Halamanan sa Taytay, which is a plant nursery nearby our home. And you can get quite affordable plants from there. Yeah, I think I did a good job. I hope so. I'm gonna twist it a bit so I can tuck it in more properly. Just let it slide into the spiral. Okay, there you go. Okay. One of the most alien looking plants that I've ever seen. I'm gonna put it here for now.